How to fix WhatsApp status music not working. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to fix WhatsApp status music not working on your iPhone or Android. So let's get started. First, as you have to just confirm that music app or any music application not playing in the background. Simply you can confirm it by playing Apple Music, Spotify or YouTube. After you confirm, open the WhatsApp application. Now from here, simply press and hold the camera icon to record your status while music plays. This will record the background music in the video. If you are not able from here, you'll have to just restart your iPhone. For that, open up settings. From settings, you'll have to scroll down and tap on the option general. From general, again you'll have to scroll down and tap on shutdown. After you shut down your iPhone and restart, your problem should be fixed. If you are still facing that problem, check for the updates for WhatsApp application. Simply go to the App Store or Play Store. After you open App Store, in the source field, search for WhatsApp. And from here, if you find any update for your WhatsApp application, simply tap on the update option. After you update, you'll have to just also confirm the permission for your WhatsApp, allowing the microphone access. For that, open up settings again. From settings section, scroll down and tap on apps. From app section, find out the application WhatsApp. After you find, tap on that. From here, you'll have to just give the microphone access to WhatsApp. Simply turn on the microphone access from here. After you give this access and follow up this procedure, you'll be able to fix that problem. And that's it. This is the easiest and simplest method. Follow for more WhatsApp or iPhone tips. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.